This video is for people who find mathematics difficult. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to different bots and then AI tools that can help you solve your mathematics problem in a jiffy. So here we are on poe.com. I don't know how you mention it. So you just search it online. Search POE. Yeah, POE AI. And then you click on it. Okay, but then we are on this is the website we are on it. I don't know why it's saying internal what problem. So before you can use it, try to create an account. So they have premium account and then they have free account. So you just create a free account. I'm using a free account, but then you see I'm asking a lot of AI questions and a lot of bots here. And then on this platform too, you can create a bot. Yeah, you can create a bot and then monetize it. If you guys want me to make a video on how you can create your own bot and then monetize it, you create your bot and then you give it its knowledge source. And then anytime anybody asks a question, the bot answers it. And anytime somebody uses it, you get paid. That's why we have the creator this thing here. Let's choose MathNet. I think it's the most popular one. No, I think this is even popular. And then AI math teacher. And then let's ask it a question. How can I help you? So let's copy this question and then give it to it. Kindly teach me. Let me type it here. Teach me the basics of calculus 1. Yeah, so this is it. There's the answer. So it's giving you, I think it has given you everything you need to start with calculus. Yeah, but it's a short one. But then you can ask it to tell you more. Then it gives you a very, very large essay. So that's it. You can ask it to tell you more once again. It will give you another information you need. So let's come to the next one. This one is AI math teacher. So let's kindly teach me the basics of calculus 2. This time let's choose calculus 2. Welcome and then good. So I think this one is more breadth. Yeah, it's giving you even a website that's Quora. I think this is good. So just like I said earlier, people do create it and then they give it its knowledge source. So if you give it a broader knowledge source, its information is going to be very, very accurate. You see, GPT has I think a broad information, but sometimes it's limited. You need to be updated before you can get the accurate or the current information by ChatGPT. So there's it. Let's choose another bot. Let's choose mathematic magic. So here you can ask any question. So here you can even ask word problem. I'm coming. Sample of a word problem. So let's copy it. And then let's come and paste it here. Let's paste it as a question. Ctrl+V. Let's wait for the answer. So yeah, there's a brief answer and then it gives you the step by step. Let's move to the next one. And then let's give it the same answer. So it's saying Becky will be left with 5 apples. And this one is saying Becky will be left with 5 apples. Let's give this question to the same AI bot. Good. And this one is also giving us 5 apples. So that's it. So those that find maths very, very difficult, I think this is the best platform for you. These bots will help you solve your math problem. And then for those that want to create bots and then bots like AI and then make money from them. I think this website will help you do that. You can create your bot and then you give it a knowledge source. So let's click on this, create a bot, and then let's give it this. So this is the knowledge source. So you upload everything you need, that bot need, in order to answer questions from people. So if you guys want me to make a video, a brief elaborated video on this too, I can do that. So that's it for the video. Kindly do what to like and then subscribe to our channel.